Hello guys, this is a short lecture over English idioms for student of the English and for all those candidates who are preparing for any type of job. So let's start. Fed up. Fed up means to have had enough. Feel like. Feel like means want to do something. No hard feeling. No hard feeling means don't worry. Heavy duty. Heavy duty means tough and powerful. Hook up. Hook up mean to connect. Joint forces. Joint forces means to unite. Just what the doctor ordered. It means what you need. Just about means nearly. Ins and outs means the small detail. In hand mean under control. Kick around mean treat badly. Kick the bucket mean to die. Knock it off means to stop it. Know it all means overconfident. Keep on means continue. In less than no time means immediately. Long face means sad. Make up your mind means decide. Make up with means to steal. Make believe means to pretend. Mixed up means confused. Make sense means seems reasonable or seems right. Make a difference means to matter. Nail it down means to finalize it. Nail it down. Never mind means don't worry about it. No doubt means certainly. No sweat means it's easy to do or it's okay. Off age means old enough. Off the hook, it means out of trouble. Once in a blue moon means rarely. Out of order means does not work. Out of shape means to be unfit. So guys, it was the end of the lecture. For this type of valuable lecture, please subscribe my channel. Okay, best of luck.